Have you ever completely frozen when someone says, "Tell me about yourself"? It happens to all of us. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily English Loop. I am your host, Alex.
And I am Lisa. Welcome back, everyone. We are so incredibly thrilled to hang out with you today. If you want to speak English naturally and without fear, you have definitely clicked on the right video.
Exactly. We know that meeting new people can be a little nerve-wracking, especially when you are speaking in a second language. So today, we are tackling that big, sometimes scary topic: how to easily introduce yourself in English.
Yes, whether you were at a birthday party, starting a brand new job, or joining a language class, this is the very first question you will always hear. Tell me about yourself. But do not worry, we are going to make it super simple and a lot of fun.
Let's jump right in. The absolute best way to learn is by doing. So, Lisa, let's pretend we just met for the very first time. Tell me about yourself.
All right, I will go first. My name is Lisa, and I am a yoga instructor.
A yoga instructor? That sounds incredibly relaxing and peaceful. Do you teach classes every day?
Almost every day, I absolutely love stretching and helping people feel healthy and comfortable in their bodies. What about you, Alex? What do you do for work?
I am a graphic designer. I design logos, posters, and websites for many different types of companies.
Wow, so you are a very creative person. You must spend a whole lot of time sitting in front of a computer screen.
I definitely do. That is exactly why I drink so much coffee. I am a massive coffee fan. A hot, strong espresso is my daily fuel. I cannot start my day without it.
Oh, see, we are very different there. I am 100% a tea person. I love brewing a big cup of hot matcha green tea in the morning. It makes me feel so calm.
Coffee and tea. Both are fantastic morning drinks. So, besides drinking tea and doing yoga, what else do you like to do in your free time, Lisa?
Well, I really love being outside in nature. Hiking in the mountains is my absolute favorite hobby. Breathing the fresh air just clears my mind. How about you? What do you do for fun when you close your computer?
I really enjoy photography. Whenever I am not working on designs, I take my camera, go outside, and walk around the city. I love taking pictures of interesting buildings and street art.
That is wonderful. So let's quickly summarize for our listeners. You are Alex, a graphic designer who loves drinking coffee and doing street photography, and I am Lisa, a yoga instructor who loves drinking green tea and hiking in the mountains.
Perfect. Do you guys see how easy that is? We just used very simple sentences. I am a and I like to. You do not need to use complicated grammar to make a great introduction.
Let's add a few more fun details to our introductions. People always love talking about their favorite things. Alex, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is orange. It reminds me of the sunset and the autumn leaves. It's a very warm, happy, and positive color. What is your favorite color, Lisa?
Mine is yellow, like a bright sunflower or the morning sun. It just brings me so much joy and energy.
Yellow and orange. We both like very bright and energetic colors. Speaking of energy, do you have any pets at home to keep you company?
I do. I have a very special pet. I have a parrot. His name is Rio.
A parrot? That is so unique and fun. Does he know how to talk?
He actually does. He says hello and good morning every day when I wake up. He's very loud, but he's extremely funny. Do you have any animals at your house?
Yes, I have a golden retriever. His name is Barnaby. He is a very big dog, but he is a giant sweetheart. He loves meeting new people and playing with tennis balls.
Aw, Barnaby sounds completely adorable. So I'm a bird person and you're a dog person. It's so much fun to learn these little fun facts about each other.
It really is. Asking about pets keeps the conversation moving forward. And we certainly cannot forget the best topic of all time, food.
Oh, absolutely. Food is the best way to connect with people. What is your absolute favorite food in the whole world, Alex?
Spicy chicken tacos. I could easily eat them for lunch and dinner every single day. The spicier they are, the better. What about you? What do you love to eat?
I cannot handle spicy food at all. My favorite food is definitely sushi. I love going out for a nice, quiet sushi dinner on the weekend. It is so fresh and delicious.
Sushi is great too. You know, just chatting naturally like this reminds me of why we started Daily English Loop in the first place.
I was just thinking the exact same thing. We created this podcast because we want learning English to feel like a friendly chat at a coffee shop with a good friend, not a boring, strict textbook lesson in a classroom.
Exactly. As a graphic designer, I love making my artwork look simple and clean. Here on the podcast, we want to make speaking English feel simple and clear. You do not need to memorize big, fancy words to make a new friend abroad.
That is so true. As a yoga teacher, my main goal is to help people remove stress from their bodies. And that is our goal right here, too. We want to give you zero stress English. We want all of our listeners to travel the world, get their dream jobs, and just feel 100% confident.
Confidence is everything in language learning. If you smile, relax your shoulders, and use simple sentences, people will love talking to you. Let's do a quick role play to show our listeners exactly how smooth and easy this can be. Let's imagine we are meeting for the first time at a mutual friend's birthday party.
Okay, that sounds like a fun scenario. I will start the conversation. Hi there. I don't think we've officially met yet. My name is Lisa.
Hi, Lisa. It is so nice to meet you. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. So, what do you do for work?
I am a graphic designer. I do a lot of freelance work online. How about you?
I teach yoga at a small studio downtown.
Oh, that sounds amazing. I sit at a desk all day, so I definitely need to stretch more. Do you have any hobbies outside of the yoga studio?
Yes, I really love hiking on the weekends. I actually have a pet parrot named Rio, and sometimes I carry him with me in a special bird backpack.
No way! That is the coolest thing I have ever heard. I usually just take my dog, Barnaby, to the city park and do some photography.
And scene. See, that was so incredibly natural. We were just asking simple questions back and forth. A good conversation is a lot like playing a game of tennis. I hit the ball over to you, and then you hit the ball back to me.
A tennis match is the perfect way to describe it, Lisa. You never want to hold on to the ball forever. You ask a question, you give an honest answer, and then you ask another question. Let's quickly review the simple sentence structures we just used today.
First, the basic introduction. My name is, then you share your job. I am a, then you talk about your hobbies. I love to, or I like. Then you can share your favorite things. My favorite color is, and my favorite food is, and of course, people love hearing about pets. You can say, I have a...
You know, looking back, we actually missed one really common topic: family. People almost always ask about your family when they're trying to get to know you better.
You are totally right. Family is a brilliant topic, and it is very easy to talk about even for beginners. You can just use simple numbers. You can say, I have one brother, or I have a very big family. For example, I have a twin brother. We look almost exactly alike, except he's a little bit taller than me.
A twin! I actually didn't know that about you, Lisa. That is so cool. I have one older sister. She lives in a completely different city, but we are very close and we talk on the phone all the time.
So you're the younger brother. That makes a lot of sense. Talking about your family is just another wonderful layer you can add to your personal introduction to keep the chat going.
Exactly. So now we have covered jobs, hobbies, favorite colors, favorite foods, pets, and family members. If you put all of that together, that is more than enough information to have a fantastic 10-minute conversation with anyone, anywhere in the world.
And remember, all of the vocabulary we use today is very beginner-friendly. A1 level is absolutely perfect. You do not need to sound like an English university professor. You just need to sound like yourself.
Now it is time for you, our listeners, to take action. Listening to our podcast is great for your ears, but speaking and writing are where the real language magic happens. We want you to practice what you learned right now.
Yes, please do. Scroll down to the comments section right below this video. We want you to practice introducing yourself to us.
Tell us your name. Tell us your job. Tell us what you like to do for fun, and maybe share your favorite food or tell us if you have a pet. Keep it short and simple. Just write 2 or 3 English sentences.
Alex and I are going to read every single comment. We really want to meet our amazing daily English Loop community. Please do not be shy. This comment section is a very safe, warm, and friendly place to practice your English without any judgment.
And before we say goodbye, if you learned something new today and you enjoyed our casual chat, please hit that like button. It takes 1 second, but it really helps our channel grow so we can keep making these videos for you.
And please subscribe to Daily English Loop so you never miss our fun weekly conversations. If you have a friend or a family member who is also learning English, share this podcast with them so you can practice together.
Well, Lisa, it looks like it is time to wrap up today's episode. My mug is empty, so I am going to go make myself another hot cup of coffee.
And I am going to go brew some more green tea and take Rio, the parrot, outside for a little walk in the sunshine.
Have a great time with Rio. Thank you to everyone for tuning in and spending your time with us today. Keep practicing, stay confident, and always remember that making mistakes is just a normal, healthy part of the language journey.
Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful, beautiful day, and we will see you right back here in the next episode.